Ever wonder how drones, those buzzing little devices flying in the sky, operate and navigate so smoothly? It's intriguing, isn't it? These small yet powerful machines, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs, are more than just a modern marvel. They're a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement. We're going to delve into the mechanics of drones, explore their vital components, and examine their diverse applications. Before we dive in, remember that understanding this technology can open up a whole new world of possibilities. So, what's the secret behind these high-flying gadgets? Well, the answer lies in their four main components: the frame, the propellers, the motors, and the controller. The frame is the drone's backbone, providing a stable platform for all other components. The propellers, powered by the motors, create lift, allowing the drone to ascend and descend. The motors are responsible for spinning the propellers, and their speed can be adjusted to control the drone's direction and altitude. Lastly, the controller acts as the drone's brain, receiving inputs from the user and translating them into motor commands. It's the seamless interplay of these parts that allows drones to fly, navigate, and carry out tasks. Now that we've uncovered the science behind drones, it's clear that it's not just magic keeping them afloat. But why does all this matter, you may ask? Well, the impact of drones and unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, is far-reaching. Let's take a look at some industries they've revolutionized. In agriculture, drones have become a farmer's best friend, monitoring crop health and optimizing irrigation. In real estate, they've elevated the game, capturing stunning aerial views of properties. And let's not forget delivery services. Companies are now turning to drones for cost-effective and efficient deliveries, reducing traffic congestion and cutting down on carbon emissions. Drones are not mere gadgets for leisure. They're modern marvels that have transformed traditional operations. As we can see, drones are not just fun toys. They are powerful tools that are shaping our future.